Next question, question 7. There are 5 hobby clubs in a college: photography, yachting, chess, electronics, and gardening. The gardening group meets every second day, the electronic groups meets every third day, the chess group meets every fourth day, the yachting group meets every fifth day, and the photography group meets every sixth day. How many times do all the 5 groups meet on the same day within 180 days? So, this is a classic question that um, just ask for the LCM, is just asking for the LCM. So if you are not uh, very familiar with the concept of LCM and finding LCMs and all, I'll just pin a video in the description. Just watch it so that you will be more comfortable with such questions. So here, since the gardening, I am just going to write every group with their first letter. Gardening group meets every second day, and the electronics group meet every third day, and chess group meets every fourth day, and yachting group meets every fifth day, and photography group meets every sixth day. So if you find the LCM of these numbers, you will get the day at which they meet together. So LCM of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you will get here 4 into 3, which has 6, and we need one more 5. So this is 60. So LCM of this number is 60. So on 60th day, so if you assume they meet at the first day, after 60 days they will meet together. So 61st day they meet, and similarly another interval of 60 they meet again. So 120 plus 60, which become 121st day they meet again, and the next meeting comes at 181. So since we are asked how many times do all the 5 groups meet on the same day within 180 days, so we just need these 3. So first day, 61st day, 122nd, and 121st day. So they meet in 180 days gap 3 times. So 181 is not included since we assume they meet on the first day. So this is not included. So the correct answer is D3. So if you the only concept that is used here is LCM. So I'll just, as I mentioned earlier, I will pin a video on the concept of LCM if you are not familiar with it. So just go through it. Okay, solution to question 7 is D.